In a world flooded with superfoods and trendy diets, there's one unsung hero that has stood the test of time: the humble egg. But what makes this seemingly ordinary food so extraordinary? Join us in this video as we delve into why eggs are the top choice for healthy protein, highlighting their profound impact on brain health and cognitive function. We'll also explore their rich content of fat-soluble vitamins and minerals. Plus, we'll discuss how to select quality eggs and cover more intriguing insights. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey with us. Surprisingly, protein isn't exclusive to the egg white. It's also found in the yolk. In fact, there's more protein in the yolk than in the white if you actually compare equal weights. So, if you're only eating egg whites, you're not only missing out on additional protein, but also on a lot of other nutrients. Moving on, the egg isn't just considered a perfect protein, it's hailed as a perfect food. They boast a unique nutritional profile with low carbohydrate content and higher levels of healthy fats. This sets them apart from muscle meats like beef, chicken, fish, lamb, and pork. Although these meats contain essential amino acids, they may not offer all 9 in optimal proportions. Additionally, they frequently lack certain non-essential amino acids abundant in egg protein. Furthermore, egg protein is highly bioavailable, meaning your body can easily absorb and make the most of every nutrient-packed element it delivers. So when it comes to nourishing your body, eggs stand out as a top choice. Now, let's shift our focus to another captivating aspect: the connection between eggs and brain health. Eggs are a rich source of phosphatidylcholine. While the name might be a mouthful, its importance cannot be overstated. This healthy fat plays a pivotal role in constructing cell membranes, which are vital for overall cell structure. Incorporating this nutrient into your diet can enhance memory, concentration, and overall focus. Even more fascinating is that the human body doesn't produce choline in sufficient amounts, making it crucial to get it from our diet. And guess what? One single egg contains about a quarter of your daily choline needs. So, the next time you sit down for a meal, remember this: eggs indeed are brain food. For skincare enthusiasts, brace yourselves to deeply adore eggs. Within their golden center lies the magic of retinol. It operates by promoting the renewal of skin cells, aiding in the removal of dead cells to unveil a rejuvenated, youthful complexion. Moreover, retinol sparks collagen synthesis, enhancing skin elasticity and resilience. So why rely on expensive creams and serums when you can harness its magic straight from nature? Moving on to another fat-soluble vitamin, eggs shine as one of the few natural food sources packed with vitamin D. Now, you might be asking yourself, why is vitamin D3 so crucial, especially in a time when awareness about its importance is widespread? Well, let's briefly touch on its significance. It is crucial for maintaining strong bones, healthy teeth, and a resilient immune system. So next time you're reaching for a snack, consider cracking open a sunshine-filled egg. Prepare for yet another excellent surprise. Eggs are packed with an array of B vitamins: B2, B3, B12, and biotin, setting them apart from the crowd. These B vitamins play a crucial role in energy metabolism, facilitating the conversion of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into usable energy. Additionally, they are essential for proper nerve function, aiding in the transmission of signals between the brain and the rest of the body. And let's not forget biotin, often hailed as the hair vitamin. Not only are eggs loaded with vitamins, but they also serve as an excellent source of essential minerals such as potassium, magnesium, iodine, and selenium. Take iodine, for example, a trace mineral vital for thyroid function, often lacking in many diets but abundant in eggs. Then there's selenium, acts as a potent antioxidant, bolstering immune defenses. Additionally, eggs are rich in potassium, vital for regulating blood pressure and promoting heart health. They also provide magnesium, supporting muscle function and enhancing bone density. Now that you're aware of the nutritional benefits of eggs, any hesitation you had before should be gone, right? So, with a trip to the supermarket in mind for eggs, how do you navigate the multitude of options available? We're here to share the guidelines to help you select the ideal egg to ensure you get all those essential nutrients. Let's start with the question, are brown eggs healthier or better than white eggs? The answer is no, there's no difference. The color of an egg is determined by the breed of the chicken laying it. Brown eggs may be slightly pricier because the chickens that lay them are typically larger and require more feed. When it comes to assessing the healthiness of an egg, several factors should be considered. Opting for organic and pasture-raised eggs, preferably sourced from local farmers or farmers' markets, is essential. These eggs are often produced using natural methods, such as incorporating clove, herbs and garlic instead of insecticides. This results in eggs that are not only more flavorful, but also healthier. It's worth noting that the egg rating system, indicated by letters like A or AA, primarily evaluates the absence of blemishes, uniform size and cleanliness of the shell, rather than the nutritional content of the egg. Now, let's get cracking and cook these eggs. Eggs are versatile and can be cooked in many ways, each bringing out unique textures and flavors. However, it's crucial to remember that eggs are quite sensitive to heat. They need careful cooking to preserve their nutrients. For example, frying an egg over easy to maintain a runny yolk or boiling eggs without overcooking them are optimal techniques. Poached eggs provide another fantastic option, while scrambled eggs should be cooked gently to prevent them from becoming overdone. After diving into the incredible world of eggs, it's clear that these little powerhouses are so much more than just a humble ingredient. So next time you reach for that egg, remember you're not just eating, you're nourishing your body and soul with every delicious bite. Enjoyed the content? Give us a thumbs up, and to stay tuned for more, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for joining us on this egg venture. Until next time, stay healthy and keep cracking.